Are you sick and tired of those apps that keep changing? Do you want a weather service that is cheaper and reliable? Well, right now, get a free trial at theweatherpros.com for our weather service. Very quick, you just put your name, your email. Do you currently have a weather service? Number of trucks, where did you find us? Facebook group if you did that. Name and the details, and I'll just ask you for a phone number for trials and give you a simple math problem. Make sure you're a human. Expert-backed 24/7 on-call consultation. Plow versus snow, salt versus plow decisions, snowfall verification, short and long range products, and bid prep, all available with the Weather Pros free trial. You'll get an example of our post snow verifications, and then when you sign up, you get your actual addresses. This will be a little bit what you get on your phone. You'll get a summary, you'll get your forecast, when the next update is. We get more updates during the storm. If you need more information on the dime, you call us or text us, and we'll get back to you with that information. We are interactive, unlike many weather services. They charge you if you call them. We do not. When you have the product. Snow time, salt versus plow, surface temperatures, these snow areas. Then, like I said, if you become a customer, you get a post-storm verification. So when you bill, you have a detailed meteorological facts in your hands to bill them the correct amount so you don't get shimmied the wrong way. So please give us a try at theweatherpros.com. That is www.theweatherpros.com. It takes 45 seconds at the most. Meteorologist Dean Davis for the Weather Pros. Please sign up today and get your free trial.